Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check a router history on any iPhone. So guys, if you want to check your router history on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen, then open settings and then go to your Wi-Fi and then tap on this I button, and once you are here, scroll it below and here you will get your router number. So guys, you can see this, you can easily get your router number from here or router address from here. Simply press and hold it and then copy it and then go back, and now you have to open any browser and then go to a new tab and simply paste that number or the address. So guys, simply paste it, and after this open this address on your browser. So guys, you can see this, and if you zoom in, you have to simply give here your username and the password for your router. So guys, you can see this, you have to simply give the username and the password of your router, and after this you will be logged in into your device, and from there you can easily check the history of your router very easily from here. So I simply log in your router address, and after this you will be able to see all the settings of your router. You can see history, you can change the password of your Wi-Fi, and you can do other settings of your router from here. So guys, once you log in, you will be able to do all this very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.